The Tesla Pi phone has become one of the most talked about upcoming devices, with its official launch set for early next year at a surprisingly modest price of just $789. This number alone is enough to raise eyebrows in the smartphone industry, especially with Apple's iPhone 17 lineup struggling under waves of criticism. Many Apple customers have already started to regret their expensive purchases, citing major concerns such as how easily the device scratches and how quickly the battery drains, particularly with the iPhone Air model. Apple's latest release has been labeled one of the most controversial in the company's history, with many users frustrated by what feels like an overemphasis on looks at the expense of durability and practicality. In the meantime, Elon Musk has been steadily teasing new details about the Tesla Pi, expressing complete confidence that Apple's phones pose no real threat to Tesla's ambitions. In fact, he believes the Pi has the potential to become America's best-selling smartphone within its very first year. The real shock factor, however, comes from Musk's claim that the Tesla Pi will offer users completely free lifetime internet access, powered by Starlink satellites. Imagine being able to stream Netflix, YouTube, or your favorite entertainment anywhere in the world without ever paying for data. This is exactly what Musk promises. According to the timeline, the Tesla Pi phone is scheduled to officially launch in March 2026 in the United States, after years of speculation. Pricing details are expected to start at $789 for the standard 256GB version, with a rumored 1TB top-tier model capped around $1,199. While not all figures have been confirmed directly by Musk, Tesla has made it clear the pricing strategy will remain well below Apple's to ensure accessibility. Upon unboxing the Pi phone, the most striking feature is its design and build quality. Unlike the aluminum-bodied iPhone 17, Tesla has opted for grade 6 titanium, one of the strongest yet lightweight metals available. Titanium not only protects the phone against scratches and drops but also ensures a premium feel without adding excessive weight. This decision was not taken lightly. Reports suggest Musk personally inspected prototypes before approving titanium as the final choice, underlining Tesla's commitment to durability. The packaging will resemble that of most flagship phones, though Tesla has decided against including a charging brick in the box, citing environmental reasons and encouraging users to reuse existing adapters. This echoes Tesla's broader sustainability mission, though it may spark debate among customers who still expect a full charging kit. The Pi phone is more than a durable shell. Its hardware introduces several advancements that threaten to outshine Apple. The 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display supports a 144Hz refresh rate and an astonishing 3200 nits of peak brightness, making it ideal for gaming and outdoor use. Compared to Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max, which still lags behind in refresh rate and brightness, Tesla's offering seems positioned to deliver a smoother and more vibrant experience. Charging is another area where Tesla has drawn on its electric vehicle expertise. The new Pulse Charge X technology can take the battery from 0 to 80% in only 10 minutes and to full capacity in around 15 minutes. Unlike Apple's iPhones, often criticized for slow charging and weak battery endurance, the Pi phone balances rapid power delivery with careful heat management to preserve battery longevity. The camera system is equally groundbreaking. At its core is a 64MP main sensor supported by an ultra-wide lens and a telephoto lens capable of 10x optical and up to 100x hybrid zoom. What makes this unique is Tesla's Neural Fusion Imaging System, an AI-driven processor that analyzes every frame in real time, optimizing color, clarity, and exposure. This gives users sharp, richly detailed photos even in poor lighting. With 8K 60 frames per second video recording in Hyperstabilizer 2.0, the Pi pushes smartphone videography to professional levels, outclassing Apple's 4K ceiling. For photography enthusiasts and creators, this versatility may prove a decisive factor. Tesla has also ensured deep ecosystem integration, turning the Pi into more than a communication device. It can act as a key and control hub for Tesla vehicles, connect with Powerwall systems, and manage other Tesla devices. Future compatibility with Neuralink is also being explored, potentially paving the way for brain-computer interactions far beyond anything Apple currently offers. The phone's rear solar charging panel furthers Tesla's mission of renewable energy, allowing off-grid users to harness sunlight for supplemental charging, an innovation especially valuable in remote regions. Yet the most revolutionary element is its direct integration with Starlink satellites. While iPhones rely on 5G networks and carriers, the Pi phone eliminates this dependency. Starting in 2024, Starlink satellites will support direct-to-cell messaging, enabling Pi users to send and receive texts without coverage. By 2025, the service will expand to voice and data, transforming the Pi into the first phone capable of calling from virtually anywhere on Earth, mountaintops, deserts, or oceans, without a SIM card or carrier. Tesla's use of the latest V2 mini satellites, equipped with advanced thrusters and increased bandwidth, ensures smoother streaming and faster speeds globally. These satellites also connect to one another with laser interlinks, forming a space-based mesh network that reduces reliance on ground stations and minimizes latency. For gamers, Tesla has even built a low-latency mode optimized for esports, promising consistent responsiveness even in challenging conditions. Adaptability is another hallmark. Through advanced beamforming algorithms, the Pi can adjust its signal to withstand weather changes, ensuring stability even during storms. It can also form local satellite mesh networks between Pi devices, letting communities share connectivity in disaster zones or remote expeditions. Security is built on military-grade StarShield encryption, making the Pi attractive to professionals and government users. Unlike Apple's model of incremental updates tied to new hardware, Tesla promises continuous OTA updates as Starlink improves, ensuring the Pi evolves with the expanding satellite constellation. By 2027, Starlink plans to deploy 42,000 satellites, potentially making the Pi the most connected device in human history. Tesla's software platform, XOS, underpins the device with strong privacy protections. It features ultrasonic 3D fingerprint scanning, advanced facial recognition, and two-factor authentication for sensitive tasks. Data is processed locally on Tesla's neural core rather than third-party servers, ensuring user privacy. Expandable cloud storage, similar to upgrading iCloud, allows users to scale capacity on demand, ideal for those who store large video files or creative projects. Altogether, the Tesla Pi phone is not just another smartphone, it represents a paradigm shift in mobility, energy, and communication. It bridges Earth and space, offering freedom from carriers, global connectivity, and an ecosystem that integrates seamlessly with Tesla's broader vision. The iPhone May 17 refined design, tweak cameras, and polish its ecosystem, but it remains tethered to terrestrial limitations. In contrast, the Tesla Pi is a bold attempt to redefine what a phone can be: durable, sustainable, universally connected, and future-proof. With its titanium build, blazing fast charging, AI-driven camera, solar charging, and lifetime Starlink internet, the Pi phone feels less like a competitor to Apple and more like a device from the future. Musk has made it clear, this isn't about incremental updates. It's about rewriting the rules entirely. Whether users embrace it immediately or skeptically watch from the sidelines, the Tesla Pi has already shifted the conversation. Apple may still dominate today, but Tesla's smartphone is aiming directly at the future, and it's aiming for the stars.